Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing player 196 from Squid Game. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the eyes. Let's draw 2 angles down, leaving a gap in the center. And then let's curve it out from the top. Then for the end, let's curve it down and in. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a circular curve down. Now to continue drawing the eyes, I'm going to zoom in. Then let's add an oval inside. And color both of these in black. And then on the top left, let's draw another circle. Next, let's thicken the top of the eyes up slightly with another curve. And then let's add some eyelashes on the top corners. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyebrows. On top of each eye, let's draw a small line. And then curve it out from the bottom. And then another curve out from the top. Next, let's hop down and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw an angle down on both sides. Then let's bring it down to the center for the chin. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a small curve for the nose, and then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top of the center and let's draw a curve up and bring it down on both sides. And then another curve on top. Now on the sides here, let's draw a curve out and back in for the ears. And then let's add 2 curves underneath for the earrings. Now top up to the top and let's draw a curve down to each of the ears for the top of the head. And then on the sides, let's draw a few curves going up. Next for the hair, let's add the braids. Let's start on top and let's draw 2 lines up and a line across. Then let's draw a curve out and bring it down on both sides. And then another curve down at the top. Now let's add another set of curves down for the other side of the braids. Now for the ends of the braids, let's draw 2 curves meeting at a point at the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another set of braids with 2 curves down. And again, 2 curves at the bottom. And that's it for the hair for now. Next, let's hop in and let's draw the body. Let's start under the head and let's draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then curve it down on both sides. Now for the collar, let's start next to the face and let's draw 2 lines out and bring it back down. And then let's add a curve going out for the shoulders. Now let's continue drawing the jacket by bringing the lines down on both sides. And then another curve down on the outside. And close off the bottom of each side with a curve across. Now let's hop into the center, and underneath the neck, let's draw a curve down for the necklace. And then 2 curves across underneath for the top of the t-shirt. Now let's hop down and let's draw another curve across for the bottom of the t-shirt. Now inside on the t-shirt, we're going to draw her player number. Let's start in the center and let's draw the number 9. Let's draw a curve up, over, and back up at the bottom. Then let's draw a small line in and curve it up. And then add a circle inside at the top. Now on the left side, for the number 1, let's draw a rectangle along the edge here. And then for the number 6, it's going to be hidden, so we're going to draw a curve down on the right. And that's it for the t-shirt. Now let's hop out and let's draw some details to the jacket. On the top right corner, let's draw a square shape. And then add the number 196 inside. Next, let's hop to the bottom and let's draw a curve across on both sides. And then add some stripes inside. Now let's hop up and let's draw a curved rectangle for the pockets. And that's it for the middle part of the jacket. Now let's hop out and let's draw the arms. From the shoulders, let's bring it down and angle it in. Then let's bring it back out and down. Then for the bottom, let's curve it in and up for the ends of the sleeves. Now inside each sleeve at the bottom, let's add another curve. And add some stripes inside. And lastly, for the jacket here, let's add the stripe on the shoulders. Let's start with a curve down. And then bring it out underneath. Now at the ends here, let's add the hands. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down and up for the thumbs. Then an angle out on the outside here. And curve it back in. Then inside, let's add some curves for the fingers. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's move back up under the earrings and let's draw a curve down to finish off the back of the hair. Now that we're done the upper body, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start in between the jacket and let's draw 2 curves across. and add some stripe lines inside. Then on top, let's add a small curve for the belly button. Now to continue drawing the legs, let's hop underneath in the center and let's draw a curve across. And 2 angles underneath. Now top out and let's draw the outside of the legs with a curve down. And then from the bottom of each line, let's angle it out and back in. And a curve across at the bottom. Now inside each of the legs, let's draw a line down, following the same outside curve for the stripes. Now to finish off the pants, let's draw 2 lines down underneath each leg and a curve across. And again, some stripes inside. Lastly, let's draw the feet underneath. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center, then an angle out from the outside. Now let's draw a curve up and back down for the toes of the shoes, and then close it off at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve inside at the bottom. Then an angle near the top here, and some lines across for the laces. And that's it for player 196. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!